Do you guys love ribs? My family loves ribs. Unfortunately, ribs take so long to cook, but I did find a faster way to make them. So I'm gonna show you how to make ribs in the Instant Pot, and they are fall off the bone, they are delicious, and your family will love them too. So let's go spice things up. So I was so excited because the ribs that I got were about half the price. But anyways, so we are gonna start off with making a rub for the ribs. And so it's pretty simple. All you do is add brown sugar and about half a teaspoon of chili powder, about half a teaspoon of paprika, salt, about half a teaspoon as well, pepper, same amount, about half a teaspoon. Of course, stir it together so all the seasonings come together nicely. And then I'm just removing the membrane off the back. And now I'm just gonna take the dry rub and put it all over the ribs. Make sure it gets in every groove. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my ribs and just kind of fold them in here and just make them fit. There we go. Perfect. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of cherry cola. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put the lid on. And then we want to press sealing instead of venting. And we're gonna press manual, and we are going to adjust it to 30 minutes. Okay, so it is going to come to pressure, and when it comes up to pressure, then it's gonna count down. It's gonna count down from 30, and once it reaches 30, then we are going to let it naturally release for 5 minutes before letting the pressure out. Okay, so I'm going to release the pressure. So I let it naturally release for 5 minutes. Okay, moment of truth. Look at all that steam. Oh, they're definitely fall off the bone. Okay, so now I'm gonna attempt at taking the ribs out without them falling apart and placing them on this pan. Okay, so now I'm gonna take these ribs and add some barbecue sauce on them. All over. All right, these look thoroughly covered with the barbecue sauce. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn on the broil, and then I'm gonna just broil these ribs in the oven for about 5-10 minutes. And when you broil, you need to make sure the oven is cracked open. All right, time to check it. These look pretty good to me. And they're done. Okay, so you remember me telling you that my family loves ribs? Well, I have to say there's no ribs left. We had 2 racks of ribs and there are none left. They ate them all, they devoured them. They were so tasty. I hope you go home and give this a try, and if you want to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.